Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Kirti, your English educator from David Academy. Today we will start with another topic from parts of speech, adverbs. Let's understand what are adverbs and what are kinds of adverbs. Let's begin with today's topic. An adverb is a word that modifies. वर्ब एडवर्ब क्या काम करती है? एडवर्ब मॉडिफाई करती है. व्हाट इट मॉडिफाइज? इट मॉडिफाइज ए वर्ब, it modifies an adjective and sometimes it modifies another adverb or even a whole sentence. Adverb का काम क्या होता है? It's a very old definition. It adds meaning to verb, but it does not only add meaning to verb, it also add meaning to adjective. It's also add meaning to the entire sentence and it also add meaning to another adverb. Let's understand this concept with few examples. When I say she speaks fluently. So the verb fluently is my adverb. And how she speaks? She speaks fluently. So it is adding meaning, or you can say it is modifying verb speak, right? So this is how, first thing to understand, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb. This is how it modifies verb, or you can say she works hard. So what is hard here? Hard is your adverb and it modifies verb work. So this is how it modifies, adverb modifies a verb. Then how adverb modifies an adjective? She is extremely talented. She is extremely talented. So what is talented here? Talented is your adjective and extremely is your adverb. This is your adverb. So this is how we know how adverb modifies adjective talented. She is extremely talented. So now we get to know that adverb, it modifies verb as well as it modifies an adjective. Now comes the third part, that adverb also modifies adverb. How it modifies an adverb? For example, अब आप इसमें आप लगाते हो she is extremely talented. Let's change this example. She works very hard. We did first example where I said she works hard. She works hard. So we know hard is adverb and it modifies verb work. Again, if I say she works very hard, so this is my adverb that I already know from this sentence. Now if I am saying very, कितना काम करती, बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करती है, so इसलिए इसमें जब very लग जाएगा तो that means it is also an adverb. And this is a adverb of degree. To what extent she works hard? She works hard, very hard. So very here is a adverb which modifies another adverb. So now we know that adverb, it modifies verb, adjective, another adverb. Sometimes it also modifies even a whole sentence. For example, luckily, I am carrying raincoat today. Raincoat today. So what is the word luckily here? Luckily is your adverb which modifies the entire sentence, I am carrying raincoat today. Okay, another example, suddenly. Suddenly, and after adverb you put a comma. Suddenly the cat appeared. The cat appeared in front of the car. Sometimes you drive, it happens. अचानक से a dog appeared in front of the car, a cat appeared in front of the car. So how do you say? Suddenly. Suddenly a cat appeared in front of the car, or a dog appeared in front of the car. So what is the word suddenly here? The word suddenly is an adverb which modifies an entire sentence. So now we know that adverb, it not only add meaning to verb, it also modifies or can describe an adjective and another adverb, even a whole sentence. I hope adverb is clear to you. Moving on. Now there are certain rules when we do adverb. For example, many adverbs end in ly. काफी सारी adverbs होती हैं जो ly में end होती हैं, but it does not mean that all adverbs end in ly. For example, the example we just did, she works hard. So what is hard here? Hard is your adverb. But is it ending in ly? No. So from this we know that all adverbs does not end in ly. So many adverbs end in ly, but many do not. Generally, if a word can have ly added to its adjective form, place it there to form an adverb. For example, अगर आपके पास adjective है slow, तो आप इससे एडवर्ब बना सकते हैं, एडजेक्टिव से एडवर्ब बना सकते हैं बाय एडिंग ly स्लोली. फ्री, फ्री से आप एडवर्ब कैसे बनाएंगे? बाय एडिंग एन ly फ्रीली. Now we know there are adverbs which does not end in ly, and there are adjectives which you can change in adverb by adding ly. So this is one of the rule. When you do adverb, you keep this point in mind. Example, she thinks quick or quickly. How does she think? She thinks quickly. So what will become here? Quickly will come, not quick. She is a quick thinker. अब जब आप बोलते हैं क्विक थिंकर, तो किसकी बात हो रही है यहाँ पे? दैट क्विक इज ए एडजेक्टिव हियर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर जो है नाउन से पहले आ रहा है, नाउन को कौन क्वालिफाई करता है, नाउन के बारे में कौन बताता है हमें? एडजेक्टिव बताता है. ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पे थिंकर है, किस टाइप की थिंकर है वो? शी इज ए क्विक थिंकर. सो हियर वी विल यूज क्विक, which is an adjective, not an adverb. Quick is an adjective describing thinker. Next example, she thinks fast. Verb है हमारे पास. This is verb here. And how she thinks? She thinks fast. Now fast answer the question of how. तो adverb क्या करती है? वो हमें किन क्वेश्चन के आंसर देती है? How का आंसर देती है, where का आंसर देती है, when का आंसर देती है, टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट का आंसर देती है. तो इन वर्ड्स का आंसर देने वाली कौन होती है हमें? दैट इज योर एडवर्ब. ठीक है, सो शी थिंक्स फास्ट. फास्ट इज योर, हियर इट इज योर एडवर्ब. एंड एनी हाउ फास्टली इज नॉट एन एडवर्ब. फास्टली हम यूज भी नहीं करते. वी डोंट मेक अ सेंटेंस ही ड्राइव्स कार फास्टली. नो, वी ड्राइव्स फास्ट. वो कार तेज चलाता है. हम कभी भी सेंटेंस ऐसे नहीं बनाते ही ड्राइव्स फास्टली. He drives fastly is wrong. He drives fast. That will be your correct sentence, where fast is your adverb here. Moving on to the next concept. Okay, another rule is there are certain words whose form remains same. उनकी form adverb में भी same रहती है और adjective में भी same रहती है. For example, run fast. He is a fast runner. So what the rule says? Rule says that there are certain words विच डज नॉट चेंज देयर फॉर्म, एल वाई नहीं लगता उनमें, वो एडवर्ब में भी यूज होते हैं, वो एडजेक्टिव में भी यूज होते हैं. कैसे यूज होते हैं? सी दिस एग्जाम्पल, ही वर्क्स हार्ड. He works hard. Okay, here it is modifying verb. किसको modify कर रहा है? Verb को modify कर रहा है. What is the verb here? Verb. Hard. So hard we can also use, same word we can also use in adjective. Example, this is a hard task. Task कैसा है? बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But here the word hard is your adjective which tells about the noun task. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, डू नॉट टॉक लाउड. टॉक क्या है आपका? वर्ब है, एंड इट इज टेलिंग अबाउट द वर्ब की बात जो है जोर से मत करिए. डू नॉट टॉक लाउड. ठीक है, सेम लाउड वर्ड को हम जो है एडजेक्टिव की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी शुड नॉट स्पीक इन अ लाउड टोन. सो दिस इज ए नाउन हियर. तो किस टोन में नहीं बात करनी है? लाउड टोन में बात नहीं करनी है. So here the word loud is an adjective which tells about the noun tone, while here is the word loud is an adverb which tells about the verb talk. Run fast. So this is your verb, very clearly visible कि ये मेरी जो है verb है. And fast क्या है? How? Run fast. कैसे भागना है? तेज. Run fast. But when I say he is a fast runner, again the word fast is here, but here the word fast is used as an adjective which tells about the noun runner. I hope this concept is clear to you, that there are words whose form remains same in adverb as well as in adjective. Moving on to the next concept, adverbs which have two meanings. For example, there are adverbs which have two meanings, like word hardly. So example of this one is, he works hard to make both ends meet. He hardly does any work. अब दोनों का मीनिंग अलग अलग है. यहाँ पे हार्ड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मेहनत करना. ठीक है, और हार्डली का मीनिंग होता है कुछ नहीं करना. सो एग्जाम्पल, ही वर्क्स हार्ड टू मेक बोथ एंड्स मीट. यहाँ पे कैसे काम कर रहा है वो? ही वर्क्स हार्ड टू मेक बोथ एंड मीट्स. सो हियर द वर्ड हार्ड इज योर एडवर्ब, और इसका मतलब है मेहनत करना. लेकिन जब हम सेकेंड सेंटेंस देखते हैं, ही हार्डली डज एनी वर्क, कोई काम ही नहीं करता. ही हार्डली डज एनी वर्क. सो हियर हार्डली इज योर एडवर्ब, बट द मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट. मीनिंग मीन्स not working, कुछ मेहनत ना करना. So this is how we can say that adverbs which have two meanings. Now we know what are adverbs. Adverbs which add meanings to verb, which adds meaning to adjectives, which adds meaning to another adverb, and which adds meaning to entire sentence. After that, we also learned that there are adverbs which have two different meanings. Then another rule that we learned today, that there are adverbs where you can say this thing, that there are adverbs which have form remain same. We use the word in adjective also, and we use the same word in adverb also, but the context is different. Now moving on to the kinds of adverb. What are the kinds of adverb we study today? Adverb of time, frequency, place, manner, degree or quantity. Let's do this one by one. Moving on to the first one, adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? किसी काम को करने का तरीका. It answers the question how. How the work has been done. कोई काम किस तरीके से किया गया है. So that is called manner, adverb of manner. Let's understand this with few examples. The adverb of manner describes how an action was carried out. So what is the main thing that you have to keep in mind? That it describes or it answers the question of how. Okay. The adverb is placed just after the verb. Adverb जो है वो verb के immediately बाद आती है in most of the sentences when it is used in a sentence. For example, Jack answered the question correctly. उसने question का answer कैसे दिया? How he answered the question? He answered the question correctly. So what is correctly here? Correctly is my adverb of manner. Next sentence, Samantha dances well. कैसा डांस करती है? How she dances? She dances well. So what is well here? That is your adverb which modifies the verb dance. She cried loudly. How she cried? She cried loudly. जोर जोर से रो रही थी. So here the verb is this and adverb is your loudly is your adverb. He drives quickly. उसको बहुत जल्दी थी. How he drives? किस तरीके से कार को चला रहा था? He drives quickly. So it tells the manner of driving a car. So he drives quickly. So quickly is your adverb of manner. Next sentence, he speaks softly. वो बहुत ही softly बोलती है, politely बोलती है. तो ये क्या हो गया उसका? Manner. This is her manner of speaking. That she speaks softly, politely, humbly. So these are your word of adverb of manner. See some more examples. How she thinks? She thinks creatively. Live adventurously. Work diligently. मेहनत से काम करना. Share generously. Share your things with everyone. How? Generously. Listen patiently. How to listen? ध्यान से सुनना. Patiently. Try fearlessly. Laugh heartily. Help willingly. Speak. How to speak? Graciously. Run steadily. Love completely. So all these highlighted words are your adverb and they state what? They state adverb of manner and they answer the question of how. How the work has been done. Right? Moving on to the next type. Adverb of place. When we talk about adverb of place, it answers the question where. किसका आंसर देता है? Where. मैं आपको कहती हूँ come here, इधर आओ, come here, come near to me, मेरे पास आओ, come here, go there, चलो वहाँ चले जाओ, ठीक है, go there. So what is there here? That is your adverb of place. आपको टीचर कहती है leave the class, get out. What is out here? Adverb of place. आप बाहर खड़े हो गए, ठीक है, after that you were called inside. Come in, चलो अब अंदर आके बैठ जाओ. So what are these words? It answers the question of where. So come here, go there, come in, go out. So these are all your adverb of place. This shows where an action or something is done or happens. It answers the question where. Such adverbs are placed after the verb. I live here. कहाँ रहते हो तुम? I live here. Right? He fell down. वो गिर गया. कहाँ गिरा? नीचे गिर गया. He fell down. They are talking. कहाँ बात कर रहे? Out. बाहर. They are talking outside. He walked in. Enter in. So class के अंदर आया. He walked in. So what are these words? These are all your adverb of place. And it answers the question of what? It answers the question of where. That where the action took place. काम कहाँ पे हुआ? Where, जगह का नाम बताना आपको. Where, right? Here, there, down, up, down, in, out. So these all are examples of adverb of place. Moving on to the next kind. Let's do this practice set. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate adverb of place from the list given below. So there are the few words I have given to you. So try doing this exercise by filling adverb of place from here. Can we please go dash to clear our mind? Can we please go somewhere? क्या हम कहीं बाहर जा सकते हैं? Can we please go somewhere? try doing next sentence. It is raining. It is raining नियर बाय भी आप बोल सकते हैं. It is raining नियर बाय. मेरे आसपास जो है बारिश हो रही है. It is raining नियर बाय. Do you live here? क्या तुम यहाँ रहते हो? Do you live here? Darwin loves to go out on a full moon night. Full moon night के दिन उसको बाहर जाना अच्छा लगता है. Darwin loves to go out. She has been working dash. She has been working there for 7 years now. वो वहाँ पे 7 साल से काम कर रही. She has been working there. So these are the few examples of adverb of place, and this is how we use them in sentences. Next kind of adverb, adverb of time. कोई काम किस टाइम पे हुआ है, ठीक है? At what time? So it answers what? When. This shows when an action or something is done or happen. It answers the question when. Adverb हमारी किसके आंसर देती है? Adverb हमने जब मैनर किया, it answers the question of how. ठीक है? जब हम place की बात करते हैं, it answers the question where. When we time की बात करते हैं, it answers the question when. When the action took place. It is either placed at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. आप इनको beginning में भी लगा सकते हैं, like this one, last week, और end में भी लगा सकते हैं, like this one, yesterday. It is either placed at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. When they are at the beginning, they are often emphasized. Okay? Now let's understand this with example. I phoned you yesterday. मैंने आपको कब कॉल किया था? मैंने आपको कल कॉल किया था. I phoned you yesterday, or I called you yesterday. So what is yesterday? Yesterday is your adverb of time. Last week I saw them walking together. पिछले हफ्ते देखा था मैंने उनको साथ में घूमते हुए. So what is last week? Last week is your adverb of time. Next sentence. They need to go to work now. अभी जाओ. Do it right now. If I say do it right now, अभी चाहिए मुझे काम. Do it right now. So what is now here? Now is your adverb of time. I am expecting a phone call soon. मेरा कॉल आने वाला है. I am expecting someone soon. कोई आने वाला है. ठीक है? So what is soon here? Soon is also your adverb of time. So all these words which answers the question of when, they are called adverb of time. Moving on to the next kind of adverb. Before that, let's do one simple exercise. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate adverbs of time from the list given below. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ words given है. You have to use these words in this exercise. Will you be able to finalize the dialogue for the play by के बाद आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? By tomorrow. ठीक है? By tomorrow. Dash, we are celebrating the grand success of company. Okay, tonight we are celebrating. आज रात को हम क्या करने वाले? Tonight we are going to celebrate. So we can write down tonight. Tonight we are celebrating the grand success of the company. Try doing third one. The teacher asked the students to fill in the consent forms. ठीक है? By tomorrow भी बोल सकते हैं आप, या कंसेंट फॉर्म्स इमीडिएटली. ठीक है? टीचर ने क्या बोला? अभी के अभी फॉर्म भर के दो. द टीचर आस्क्ड द स्टूडेंट्स टू फिल इन द कंसेंट फॉर्म्स इमीडिएटली. नेक्स्ट, माय फ्रेंड्स. अब इसमें से हमारे जौन से यूज हो गए उनको हम कट भी कर सकते हैं. टुमारो हमने यूज कर लिया, इमीडिएटली यूज कर लिया, टुनाइट यूज कर लिया. माई फ्रेंड्स मेक श्योर टू मीट अप मंथली. ठीक है? महीने में हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम लोग हर महीने में एक बारी मिलेंगे. श्योर टू मीट अप मंथली. लास्ट, आशीष स्टेड एट होम टुडे. आज जो है आशीष घर पे ही रहा. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स which highlight adverb of time. I hope this is clear to you. Moving on to the next kind, adverb of degree or quantity. This answer the questions to what degree कि कोई काम कितना अधिक हुआ है, कितना ज्यादा हुआ है या कितना कम हुआ है। तो जब ये हमें बताता है क्या है कि क्वांटिटी या डिग्री, उस काम को करने की डिग्री। द बेबी वॉज टू स्लीपी, बेबी कैसा था, टू स्लीपी। सो व्हाट इज टू हियर, टू इज योर डिग्री। आई ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क, so what is almost here, that is your degree. So it is to what extent, so something which answers the question of to what extent, to what quantity, that comes under the category of adverb of degree. This answers the questions to what degree, to what degree or how much. It is usually placed before the adjective and the adverb. You can fit all these adverb of degree over here. She is extremely happy, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है. She is really happy, less than extremely. She is very happy, आज खुश है. तो इसमें डिग्री कितनी होगी, at this level. She is rather happy, then degree is here. She is a bit happy, थोड़ी खुश है, ज़्यादा खुश नहीं है. She is not very happy or not at all happy. So this is your adverb of degree. So you can fill all of these over here. We got along rather well. So what is another meaning of rather? That is quite. So we got along rather well. And similarly आप to भी use कर सकते हैं और almost भी use कर सकते हैं as a adverb of degree. The baby is too sleepy. और यू कैन से द वर्क इज ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड, काम ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट काइंड. ओके, ट्राई डूइंग दिस सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. अंडरलाइन द करेक्ट एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री इन ईच सेंटेंस. वी आर डैश देयर, हम वहाँ बेयरली पहुंचने वाले हैं या ऑलमोस्ट पहुंचने वाले हैं. ओनली 5 more minutes to go. So what will come? ऑलमोस्ट. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर, हम वहाँ ऑलमोस्ट मतलब पहुंचने वाले. डिग्री क्या है, बस पास ही में है. वी वर ऑल एक्सट्रीमली इम्प्रेस्ड, हम उससे कैसे इम्प्रेस थे, वी वर ऑल एक्सट्रीमली इम्प्रेस्ड, बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रेस थे हम उससे. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दिस इज जॉन्स हाउस दैट लुक्स लाइक हिज कार इन द ड्राइववे. तो मैं श्योर हूँ. व्हाट इज द डिग्री हियर, प्रिटी. We dash missed our train. We nearly means almost missed our train. Thankfully we got to the platform just in time. So this is how we use adverb of degree in sentences. Moving on to the next kind, adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? एक काम को आप कितनी बार करते हैं. If you read newspaper, तो आप बोलोगे I read newspaper daily. मैं daily newspaper पढ़ता हूँ. I exercise, I hardly exercise. मैं exercise बहुत ही कम करता हूँ. तो what is that? Frequency. मैं हफ्ते में 2 दिन न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता हूँ. I read newspaper हफ्ते में 2 दिन, twice a week. और अगर 2 बार पढ़ते हैं दिन में, I read newspaper twice a day. So once, twice, then apart from that, monthly, always, rarely, hardly, all these are your adverb of frequency. किसी काम को करने की ड्यूरेशन, आप कितनी बार करते हैं उस काम को. frequently करते हैं, usually करते हैं, sometimes करते हैं, seldom कभी कभी करते हैं, often अक्सर करते हैं. So all these your words are called adverb of frequency. Okay, understand this with this simple table. Adverbs and expression of frequency. तो अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि आप डेली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, हमेशा किसी काम को करते हैं, what you will use? You will use always. I always eat my dinner, on time. मैं हमेशा समय पे खाना, डिनर अपना खाता हूँ. Next, I usually go out for walk after dinner. मैं अक्सर जो है डिनर के बाद जो है वॉक पे जाता हूँ. Then often, I often go out and play outside. I often go out and play. मैं अक्सर बाहर जाता हूँ और खेलता हूँ. I sometimes go out. मुझे घर में ही रहना अच्छा लगता है, मैं बाहर नहीं जाता ज़्यादा. So I sometimes go out. हार्डली एवर, आई हार्डली एवर गो आउट, मैं तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं जाता, मतलब बहुत ही कम, मतलब 2 में से 1 बार ही जाता हूँ. आई नेवर गो आउट, मैं बाहर नहीं जाता. नेवर मतलब 0%. सो दिस इज योर फ्रीक्वेंसी विथ जस्ट ए जस्ट ए रैंडम आइडिया कि कितने परसेंट पे, बट दैट इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट परसेंटेज. इट डज नॉट मीन कि एग्जैक्टली 100% दिया है, एग्जैक्टली 90% दिया है. It's just way of explaining to you to what extent, to what frequency the work has been done. Then you can also use every day, every week, every month, every year, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So it answers the question of how often. An adverb of frequency is a word that tells us how often something happens. कोई काम कितनी बार हो रहा है, उसको हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. इट गिव्स अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द फ्रीक्वेंसी और रेगुलरिटी ऑफ एन एक्शन. उस एक्शन की रेगुलरिटी क्या है. अगर आप पढ़ाई का काम करते हैं तो वो आप कितनी बार करते हैं, रोज करते हैं, कभी कभार करते हैं, या कभी नहीं पढ़ते हैं. सो नेवर अगर आप बोलते हो दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट थिंग एट ऑल. So this it gives us information about the frequency or regularity of an action events, whether it is something that happens all the time, rarely or somewhere in between. I get paid monthly, मुझे हर महीने के पैसे मिलते हैं. I get paid monthly. So monthly is your frequency. She always arrives on time, हमेशा समय पे आती है. 100% अटेंडेंस है उसकी, तो शी ऑलवेज अराइव्स ऑन टाइम. व्हाट इज योर ऑलवेज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. ही रेयरली ईट्स फास्ट फूड, बहुत कम खाता है बाहर का खाना. ठीक है, उसको पता है कि जंक फूड इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ही रेयरली ईट्स फास्ट फूड. दे हार्डली एवर मिस अ सॉकर मैच, कभी नहीं मिस करता. ठीक है, तो दे हार्डली एवर मिस अ सॉकर मैच. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Let's try doing this simple exercise. My brother is never sad. He is, आप क्या बोल सकते हैं, he is always happy. He is always happy. वो हमेशा खुश रहता है. I was late for work only one time last year. एक बार ही लेट हुआ था. तो आप इधर क्या लिख सकते हैं, I am hardly ever late. I am hardly ever, oh sorry, I am hardly ever late. Next sentence, try doing third one. Mary failed only one test in high school. Mary जो है she failed only one test. तो इधर क्या आएगा, she dash passed her test, मतलब उसने सिर्फ एक ही टेस्ट फेल किया है, बाकी उसने ऑलमोस्ट सारे पास करे. तो आप इसमें क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, शी ऑलवेज भी आप कह सकते हैं. सो लाइक आई सेड, ऑलवेज का मतलब बिल्कुल 100% नहीं होगा. ठीक है, या फिर आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं शी ऑलमोस्ट पास्ड हर टेस्ट. आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू डू माई होमवर्क. आई डैश फॉरगेट टू डू इट. आई नेवर फॉरगेट टू डू इट, मैं कभी भी करना नहीं भूलता या भूलती. I always remember to do my homework. I never forget to do it. Try doing fifth one. Steven seldom goes to a cinema. ठीक है, तो स्टीवन जो है वो कभी कभार जाता है. He dash sees movie. He hardly ever sees movie. He hardly ever sees movie. जूडी सॉ अ डॉक्टर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 3 years. 3 साल में एक बार देखा उसने. शी डैश गेट्स सिक, मतलब उसने जब 3 साल में एक बार देखा तो इसका मतलब शी सेल्डम गेट्स सिक, मतलब बहुत ही कम बीमार पड़ती है. और आप हार्डली एवर भी लगा सकते हैं. शी सेल्डम गेट्स सिक, उसको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती डॉक्टर के पास जाने की ज्यादा, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे, शी सेल्डम गेट्स सिक, क्योंकि वो ज्यादा बीमार भी नहीं पड़ती है. I hope the concept of adverb is clear to you. What are the kinds of adverb? Kinds of adverb, it answers the question of how, किसी काम को करने का तरीका कैसा है, how, when, where, to what extent, and how many times. I hope this concept is clear to you. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.